Hello everyone. Today, we're discussing an important topic for those managing high blood pressure, the foods you should avoid. By being mindful of what you eat, you can better manage your blood pressure and support your heart health. Let's dive into the 10 foods you should steer clear of. If you're worried about high blood pressure, listen up. Salt and high sodium foods are a major concern. Too much sodium can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure. Steer clear of processed foods like chips, pretzels, canned soups, and fast food meals, as they are often high in sodium. Next, deli meats and processed meats are loaded with sodium and preservatives. This category includes bacon, sausage, salami, and hot dogs. Choose fresh, lean meats or plant-based options instead. Avoid high-sodium canned and instant soups. Instead, go for homemade or low-sodium alternatives. While convenient, these soups often have too much sodium to enhance flavor. Opt for homemade soups with fresh ingredients or find low-sodium options in stores. Pickles and other pickled foods are brimming with sodium due to the pickling process. If you enjoy pickles but want to manage your blood pressure, consume them sparingly or opt for low-sodium varieties when possible. Frozen meals might be convenient, but they usually have high sodium levels to boost flavor and maintain freshness. Choose to prepare balanced meals at home with fresh ingredients instead. If you have high blood pressure, pay attention to this. While canned vegetables can be healthy, those with added salt should be avoided. Opt for no salt added or low-sodium versions and rinse them before cooking. Did you know that processed snack foods such as potato chips, cheese puffs, and crackers are loaded with sodium, unhealthy fats, and empty calories? It's wise to choose healthier snacks like nuts, seeds, or fresh fruits instead. Did you know that sugary drinks can significantly affect your health? Beverages like soda, sweetened iced tea, and energy drinks can lead to weight gain and elevate blood pressure. Opt for water, herbal teas, or sparkling water without added sugars instead. Did you know that red meat, especially fatty cuts like steak and beef, can elevate cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease? Reduce your consumption and choose leaner cuts or plant-based protein alternatives. If you have high blood pressure, this is crucial. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake can elevate blood pressure and harm the heart over time. Drink in moderation if you choose to consume alcohol. Thank you for joining us as we explored the 10 foods to avoid if you have high blood pressure. Making smart choices about what you eat can play a significant role in managing your blood pressure and overall heart health. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. We'll see you in the next video.